Hi all. In continuation to the previous puzzles and quick maths which we discussed, I'll take some more problems which are related to the quick maths. Okay. Uh, Generally, these kind of problems will come in many competitive exams. Okay, and this can be like these kind of problems will come for kids examination and even for some of the competitive exams also. Some simple and useful problems I will explain to you. Okay. uh, there are two numbers. Okay, there are two numbers that's called x and y. Okay, their sum is 25. Okay, their sum is 25. Okay, but their difference is 5. Their difference is 5. Then what is the difference between their squares? What is the difference between the squares of their numbers? That is, squares of their numbers means what? X square minus y square. This number you have to find. So already you know that x plus y is equal to 25 and x minus y is equal to 5. Okay. So when you have to find this value. So what you need to do is just to add these values. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 25 and x minus y is equal to 5. First, if you find the value of x and y, then it will be very easy. So x plus x is equal to what? 2x. X plus x is equal to 2x plus y and minus y. What? If you can, that can be 0. Okay. And 25 plus 5. How much? That is 30. So 2x value is what? 2x is equal to 30. Then what is the value of x? X is equal to 15, because when you divide 30 by 2, that will give the value as 15. So you know the value of x. Then what will be the value of y? Because x plus y already given the value as 25. So when you add 15, okay, when you add 15 with 10, that gives 25. So what is the value of y? Value of y is equal to 10. So now you can find the value of x square minus y square very easily, because already you know the value of x and you know the value of y. So what is the value of x square? That is 15 square. Okay. And what is the value of y square? That is 10 square. Okay. And what is the 15 square means what? That is 225. When you multiply 15 into 15, you will get the value of 225. And when you multiply 10 by 10, what is the value you will get? Okay, you will get the value of 100. So what is the difference of the squares of these unknown numbers? That is 125. This is the way you can apply the quick logic and you can solve the problem very easiest way. First, you need to find either x or either y, and then you're finding the value for x square and y square. Then you're doing the subtraction for the same. Now we'll discuss one more problem, like it is just related to the previous problem which we discussed. That is, there are two numbers. The two numbers are x and y. Their difference of the square, that is, the difference of the square is equals to, okay, that is 44. And what is the sum of those numbers? Sum of those two numbers, x plus y, that equals to 22. Now our question is, what is the value of x, that is x minus y, that is a subtraction of these two numbers. Then what is the value of these two numbers? Okay, so already you know the value of x square minus y square. Okay, already it was given. So because this is simple mathematics formula, when you will get x square minus y square, when you when you add x plus y and multiplied by x minus y, then you will get x square minus y square. Already what is the value of x plus y? That is 22. Here x minus y we don't know. And what is the value of 44? 44 is what? X square minus y square. That is 44. So if you want to find the subtraction of between these two numbers, so here it is multiplied. So when it goes here, it will be divided. So x minus y is equal to 44 by 22. That is 2. Your answer is 2. How can you judge? Your answer is 2. X minus y is equal to what? 2. That answer we got. Okay. X plus y you already have. That is 22. Okay. So if you find the value of x, when you add this x plus x, that is 2x plus y minus y, both were get cancelled. 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. If you want to find x, it will be like x is equal to 24 by 2. That will give the value as 12. So already you know the value of x. So x is equal to 12. Then what is the value of y? 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 10. So your answer is correct, because when you subtract from 12 and 10, then you will get the value as 2. And even if you do the square difference also, 12 square minus 10 square is how much? 12 ja 144 minus 10 ja, that is 44, because 12 into 12 144 minus 10 into 10 100. So it will give the value as 44. So your answer is correct. So simple way is that if you just apply the logic in simple way, you will get the answer very easy way. These kind of problems will come in many competition exams. Okay. Thank you all.